currently at the Home Building and Renovation Show at the NEC, and the guy I'm actually recording with is so into his gadgets. So we just happened to come across this section, like the home entertainment. So now, with all the technology we have, it's so possible to be able to connect your televisions, your lighting, your heating, all from your iPhones or your window applications that you have. So these are the ones that we've come across here. So you can add in what cinema films you want to watch, your security. For me, security is a big thing. Having a daughter, being able to ensure that if she's at home on her own, that the lights are turned off, that the doors are locked, that if someone comes to my door, that the camera comes on, sensors for motions and lighting. The gadgets you can get nowadays is amazing. Also being able to dim your lights. So we talked about lighting earlier. So being able to dim the lights and to make them bright will also change the mood and the colouring once again. And being able to do all this from the touch of your phone, sitting there, turn your telly over, turn the lights on, shut your curtains. It's going to make you really lazy, but the gadgets are amazing. Okay, so just want to explain about your company that you work for and how long you've been going and what you actually do.
Okay, so we're manufacturers primarily. We've been going for 20 years. We basically specialise in design, detail, CAD design of anything in natural stone.
Okay.
And our range goes from architectural stone, building stone, flooring stone, anything in stone.
Okay. So obviously to go for stone it's more expensive, but what would you say the benefits are instead of going for a cheap replica to actually have genuine stuff in your property?
Yeah, I mean, carbon footprint is obviously a big thing. Our own stone is only never transported more than 20 miles from where it's quarried to where it's fabricated and turned into a product. And the longevity of it, we've got 30, 40 years of natural mineral that we can work and supply. So,
is it hard to take care of? Anything natural just seems to take more time and love and care to actually get that 30 years out of it.
Yeah, in terms of maintenance.
Yeah.
In terms of maintenance, so stone floors, things like that, they're all sealed, so they should be low maintenance.
Okay.
If they're sealed in the right way from the get-go. People often use bleaches, detergents, domestos. That's what takes it back to its natural state and then leaves it
open to the elements.
Exactly.
Okay. So do you think that anyone that's willing to spend the extras on having the natural stone will see the return from the clientele that they have to try and purchase their properties or rent their properties, do you think?
Yeah, absolutely. I think so. I mean, the building stone obviously puts a premium on the property. It's obviously all governed by where you're building, conservation areas, that sort of thing. But yeah, I'm sure they'd reap the rewards of building in natural stone.
Okay, so thank you very much for your time.
Thank you. Yeah, nice to meet you.
You too.